Today I will show you how to deal with geometry that is broken after importing it into Apex. This is an example of a ProE file with a defect, and after importing it into Apex, certain geometry edits could not be successfully completed. As you can see, the solid isn't rendering as it should be. It looks like a series of surfaces, although when selecting it and viewing it in the model tree, we see that it is indeed listed as a solid. This clearly indicates that there's something wrong with this particular solid. Let's test it by creating a mid-surface for that solid. And we can clearly see that there's an error message showing that there's a fault in this geometry that has to be rectified. So let's run the geometry fault finder and see if we can find out what the problem is. And indeed, it shows that this solid is self-intersecting, and we see that there's surfaces on the inside of the solid, which obviously doesn't make sense. Now we can fix this by using our geometry edit tools, and in this case I'll use the push-pull tool. I expect that there are two surfaces in this region and they're not properly connected as they should be. So let's try and pull one of the surfaces in one direction. And we see, yes, that surface has indeed collapsed into the other one and fixed the solid. But let's undo this and pull the surface in the other direction. And what we see now is that there were indeed two surfaces, and we were able to pull them apart. Now by simply using the push-pull tool and the up to option, we can collapse these two faces that were causing this internal defect. And now we see that the solid has been fixed, and we can test it by now running the mid-surface tool on this solid again. And indeed, there we see the successful mid-surface of the solid, so we have completed this exercise.